In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change this background right here that's currently black to a image, whatever you want to. So let's get started right away. So what we want to do is we just want to have a new tab open up and click on customize at the bottom right corner. And you can basically just sort of like scroll through all these default Google images. But you can also just add one yourself. So let's say like I wanted to have purple or something like this. You can do that. But to add a image yourself, click on upload from device. And I do recommend if you have a 1080p resolution monitor to go for a 1080p image as well. And same goes for if you have a 720p or just like that, or else if it's like the quality is too low, it will just become like really pixelated and blurry. So let's say I want to have this background right here. I'll just click on open, and as you can see, this will just change your Google background to what it looks like right now. And that is basically it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.